me and Shaw was locked in.
We go way back.
BD bash. BD bash.
First aid.
I got you.
Not the little one.
Period.
If you ain't having such a good day, get your ass up and get dressed. You know what I'm saying? Get dressed, make yourself feel good. Get yourself a nice drink, your favorite drink, whether that's coffee, alcoholic beverage, whatever that be. Make yourself feel good today, because you should.
Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.
Segments of levels caught on film. Welcome back to my channel. It's TG for short, not the long way. You heard? Alrighty. I'm back with another video. Today, right now, what I'm about to be doing is I'm about to start sewing. I'm about to sew these bucket hats, and I'm about to make me a little romper, a cute little romper. I do also want to get some content, so I also might be filming some content for like TikTok or like Reels or whatever. I haven't really decided yet, but I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone, get more on that content side. Hey yo, this is the best water out. Shout out to Buzzy for putting me onto this. Best water out, yo. I did a mask the other day, so the skin, I feel like it's glowing, but up here you see my little bumps, they coming out. You know, I got to bring out the old, shed that dead layer before I can get that glow. Probably just have to keep checking in, but I did want to go ahead and start this vlog, get like a little intro and start it off. I was gonna start it last night. Once everything done being sewn, because I want to get some content and stuff. I might vlog a little bit though as well, but yeah, see y'all then.
Yes, the package is secure. Yes, honey. Oh, yes, honey. The package is secure. The package is secure.
Hey. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for me. So cheap and your flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl. You got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it, yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you calling. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no bodies. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. They ain't never got you knowing being modest.
I don't mind all this stuff in the back because I'm getting ready to get on the road. But look at my girl.
You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in a bag in a Birkin. No 9 to 5, put the work in.
Okay, y'all, I've been back home. I haven't really been doing good with vlogging since I've been back home. Let me hold my phone right. I've been back home. I got back home like 10:30 last night. But yeah, last night I was just chilling, went to bed. But right now I'm at Walmart because I want to get like some beads and stuff. And plus I need a thong for my bodysuit that I made. I need to insert clips too because I'm making the bucket hats today. I did finish the romper yesterday that I was making. That's the last time that I had spoke to the vlog. But yeah, I'm about to go in Walmart and get this stuff real quick. And hopefully they got everything that I need. I'm trying to be in and out. But yeah. Okay, we're in the hair store. Okay, so which one? No color.
Oh, this one or this one?
No color.
No color?
Uh-uh.
Damn, I wanted to like pop out, you know.
I don't think you should do color. Give that nap so it can really eat. But
Why my hair not that damn dark? I don't look like I kill people.
What? They got one. Oh, they got a 2 right here. But that's only
short answer.
Smart. Was that sweet?
I thought it was an outfit.
Oh.
What? That's going in the video.
on the way to the function. Oh, the hair is just looking. Shakira, what's up? What's up? Yes. Shy. We got Kira in the back.
Bartender, bartender. Yes. Yes. Okay. Oh, the air. Turn it down. Okay, so right now, let me fix my hand. It'd be so weird positioning, but right now we at McDonald's because they need to eat something, put something on their stomach. I'm about to go pick up my food across the street from Golden Dragon. I got Chinese because I got to be careful. I ate breakfast this morning. I'm trying to get my lunch and I need to eat in between my drinks. So I'm trying to make sure I'm secured all the way. Yeah, we about to head there after we get our food and then we headed to the hot spot. Sissy about to do her big one as the fuck she should. Do what the fuck I told you, okay? Big shot, not the little one, by the way, okay? But yeah, on a serious note, y'all, I'm a little tipsy right now, so but yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Well, tell Gus he gotta hang up. You
Yes, I gotta get the back footage.
It's you wiping off the sweat in the it's her wiping off the sweat.
You told me to get footage.
What we doing? Money. Count.
Free the guy.
I ain't even drunk yet and I'm acting crazy. What you want, a shot?
We watch you, okay?
Yeah, I need a shot, man. Yeah, I need that. What's this, the vlog? Yeah, a little something. Yeah, this is a vlog. It's money, you know what it is. It's smelly in the motherfucking building. I didn't know me and Shaw was locked down. We go way back. Bino, what's up, nigga?
That's probably like 3K at least.
That shit about 3K. It's probably about 25, but it's 3K at least. Bit 21. Yeah. I'm about to go to the guys. Hey, Wild. What's up, Gunner? Devil Almighty, what's up? Then that's just on the building. Tell them what the fuck going on.
Yeah, we out here on the bday bash. Bday bash. First annual. I got $10.
We got $10.
First annual.
Book or look, bitch. Period.
Not the little one.
Period.
And
who the dog?
Say this Kenzo.
This is Kenzo. He looks so cute. Hey, Kenzo. Period. Bliss. We right here in the middle of this. Here. You. Wipe your
Yeah.
We outside, man.
Yeah.
That's probably like 3K at least.
Yeah.
It's probably about 25, but it's 3K at least.
And I heard you the 1 and the 2 on the 3. Coming to you and me. Probably got me a top in the rack. We good as facts. Heard you said we good in the hood. And that's cows. So I stood on the they like, what you doing? And they like, wow. Nigga with me. I'm my city, I go for the good, you look 50, whatever they want.
Her fucking she was like,
Maintain it, safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers.
Okay, y'all, this is like days later. The last time I vlogged is when I got back. So that was the next day when I was showing off the bucket hat before we went and got drinks and stuff. That was initially Sunday. That was Sunday. So today is Wednesday. I'm about to take pictures in the rumper because I did not get pictures Saturday. As you can see, the police didn't let us leave because it was a shooting at the end of it. But overall, it was really fun. I was just happy to see a whole bunch of, my black folks together doing what they love to do, celebrating. Happy b-day to my nigga Ish, his big one. He did it real big out there. Besides all that hate and shit, I really had a great time. This like days later, so now I'm about to get ready. I'm about to curl my hair and stuff because I'm about to get ready to take pictures because I didn't get pictures in the rumper once again, like I said. And I did get a video. I did end up getting a video. I might go ahead and insert that here. I'm gonna go ahead and insert both of them, the bucket hat video, and I'm gonna go ahead and insert the rumper video. It's my first time making a bucket hat. I made 2 of them, guys.
Every motherfucking season I get better.
got some fabric. And I'm about to make me a cute romper. Okay, here go the romper. I think I'm gonna add a collar too, so I'm not done just yet. But if it's good, I gotta change the undies, but yeah.
Yeah. Period.
By the time this is posted, it'll be posted up on my Instagram. So go follow me on Instagram if you're not already. I did feel like I didn't get enough footage because it just wasn't long enough. So I kind of want to make it long enough. So I'm probably going to insert like when I do take pictures and actually get the content for my romper and stuff like that. Just because I do want to have more footage for this vlog to make it a little tad bit longer. I'm about to get ready to curl my hair. I'm going to just come back on camera when I'm curling my hair. And yeah, I'm gonna set up, y'all gonna come basically get ready with me. I'm gonna do a little get ready real quick. Probably get back on the camera once I'm curling my hair. But if I don't get back on the camera once I'm curling my hair, I'll get back once I'm done and about to take pictures. Yeah.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh,
Ooh, that one came out cute. Okay.
Look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes.
And that's how the curls came out. I got my leave out pin. But it's really like a wave. It's not really a curl. They didn't drop by now because I've been done. I done got dressed, putting on jewelry and stuff. I got to put on the rest of my jewelry. Yes, about to get ready to take some pics. I'm about to get ready to take my pictures. I did my hair. They came out kind of like in waves because I was trying to show y'all in the bathroom. I don't know if I'm going to insert that clip because that clip, my bathroom light, I need to get 2 new bulbs. 2 of them went out. Yeah, I'm about to go get my pics. I hope they come out cute. This is how I wanted my hair to be curled the actual day, but I did flat on curls instead of wand curls, even though this is more so of a wave, but it's still giving. It still gives what it needs to give. But yeah, I'm about to go take my pics and then I'm gonna go change, take this off, and yeah, then I'm pretty much chilling for the rest of the day. I did want to make the vlog longer just because I felt like it was a little too short for my liking, and I'm trying to get used to making longer, producing longer content, just because I don't know, I just want to get used to doing that. I'm feeling good, looking good, you know. If you ain't having such a good day, get your ass up and get dressed. You know what I'm saying? Get dressed, make yourself feel good. Get yourself a nice drink, your favorite drink, whether that's coffee, alcoholic beverage, whatever that be. Make yourself feel good today, because you should. I'm about to go take pics, though.
Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.